Namaste everyone. Let us start the session Yoga for Fitness. Before going to start the session, don't forget to subscribe our channel. First of all, we are going to practice sun salutation. Come in front of your mat, join your feet, adopt Namaste Mudra. Inhale, raise your hand, arch your spine, bend back, stretch as much as you can. Keep breathing. Exhale, smoothly bend forward. Try to touch your palm on the floor. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Stay here. If you have back pain, bend your knee, stay here. Now, bring your right leg back. Try to touch your right knee on the floor. Front knee should be 90 degrees. Look upward. Push your hip down. Exhale. Bring your left leg back. Join your feet. You can move your heels. Now try to touch your knee on the floor. Try to touch your chest on the floor. Be here, Ashtangasana. Inhale, come to the Bhujangasana. Look up. Exhale, go back. Lift up your knee. Try to touch your heels on the floor. Bring your right leg forward in between your both palm. Look up. Arch your spine. Push your hip. Now exhale. Bring your left leg forward. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Inhale, come up. Bend back, back. And exhale, Namaste Mudra. Now with exhalation, release your hand, legs apart and relax for a while. And now get ready for triangle pose. Open your both legs up to 4 feet. Turn your right feet right side, both hand up to shoulder level. Fold your right knee. Keep your right palm beside your feet, knee straight. Both hands in one line. Turn your head upward. And now stay here as much as longer, at least 1 minute. Then slowly bend your knee, smoothly come up, knee straight, turn your feet and hands down. Relax for a while. And now other side. Open your leg up to 4 feet, turn your left feet left side, both hand up to shoulder level, fold your knee, keep your palm beside your feet. Now knee straight, turn your head upward and stay here at least 1 minute, as much as longer. In the final position, keep focusing on breath. Then slowly bend your knee and smoothly come back, legs together and relax for a while. And now prepare yourself for neck posture, camel pose. Come to the Vajrasana. Slowly stand on your knees. Inhale, raise your hand in front of your chest. Inhale, raise your right hand and bring back. Keep your right palm on your right heel. Inhale, left hand up. Bring back and keep on your left heel. Now inhale, push your hip forward, arch your spine, expand your belly and chest. Inhale as much as you can, chin little bit up, look upward, look at the ceiling. Close your eyes and enjoy the final position. You can stay here at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can bring your left hand forward, then smoothly right hand forward. Exhale, hands down. And now slowly come to the Vajrasana. After this posture, you must perform Shashankasana. So inhale, raise your hand and exhale, bend forward. Touch your forehead on the floor. Stay here for a while. Then inhale, slowly raise your hand, lift up your head. Exhale, hands down and relax. Now one by one, keep your legs straight. Little bit shake your leg and legs together. And now next asana, Paschimottanasana. Legs together, keep your back straight. Inhale, raise your hand. Exhale, bend forward. Hold your big toe. Look up and exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your forehead, touch your belly on the leg. Stay here as much as longer. After 1 minute later, you can lift up your head. Inhale, raise your hand. Exhale, hands down, open your leg, look up and stay here for a while. Enjoy deep inhalation and exhalation. Now get ready for Dronasana. Legs together. Gently bend your knees. Hold your thighs. With inhalation, lift up your heels upward. Keep your knees straight. Now release your thighs. Keep your hands straight and stay in this posture at least 30 seconds. After that, bend your knee. Gently come down, You can lie down on your back or you can sit down also, no problem. Legs apart. May you feel little bit belly pain in this posture. You can give slight massage to your belly and relax for a while. After relaxation, legs together, gently bend your knees. Try to catch your ankle joint with your both palm. Now we are going to perform Kandharasana. With inhalation, lift up your hip as much as upward. If you feel this posture is little bit difficult, so you can give support with your palm and try to lift up your hip as much as upward and stay in this posture at least 1 minute, and then slowly release your hand, keep your hip down. One by one, keep your legs straight. Lie down on your back, legs apart, hands apart, and relax. And now get ready for next posture, Sarvangasana. Gently legs together, bend your knee and keep close to the body. Hand also close to the body. With inhalation, gently lift up your both legs and keep your knees straight. Now inhale, lift up your hip, give support with your both hand to the back, and here Sarvangasana, shoulder, hip and heel must be in one line. Stay in this posture at least 1 minute. After 1 minute back, you can bring your hip down gently and smoothly, bend your knee and lie down on your back. Legs apart, hands apart, eyes closed. Enjoy deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Now we are going to practice complementary posture, fish pose. With the lying down, adopt Padmasana, lift up your knee. Inhale, raise your hand, fold your hand and keep beside your ears under your shoulder. Lift up your shoulders, lift up your back upward and try to keep your top of the head on the floor. Now press your elbows on the floor and catch your big toes. Stay in this posture 30 seconds or 1 minute. After that, you can smoothly lift up your head, come back, and then one by one release your leg and lie down on your back in Shavasana. Take rest in Shavasana for a while. Take 5 times deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Feel the relaxation, enjoy the relaxation. And now get ready for Bhujangasana. Gently turn left side, give support and lie down on your belly. Legs apart. Keep your palm under your chin. Stay here. Prepare yourself mentally and physically for this asana. Now, legs together. Now, gently bend your elbows. Keep your palm beside your chest. Adjust your body. Now, try to touch your forehead on the floor. Inhale. Gently lift up your head. Lift up your chin. Lift up your chest. Adjust your hand, lock your elbows and stay in this posture at least 1 minute. After 1 minute later, gently fold your elbows and smoothly come down. Fold your hand, keep your palm under your chin and relax for a while. And now next asana, Shalbhasana. Bring your both hands beside your body. Make a fist with your both palm. Lift up your hip little bit upward with the help of the knees and keep your fist under your hip joint. Now inhale, knee straight and lift up your both leg upward as much as upward. Stay in this position at least 30 seconds and then slowly release your leg, bring your leg down. With the help of the knees, lift up your hip, bring your hands back and relax. Turn your head one side, eyes closed and take rest for a while. Prepare yourself for next posture is Dhanurasana. Okay? Now gently fold your knee. Try to catch your ankle joint with your both palm. Open your knee little bit. Touch your chin on the floor. And now inhale. Adjust your body first. And again go down. Ready? Now inhale, lift up your head, lift up your shoulder and lift up your knee as much as you can. In this position, you must be here at least 1 minute. If you stay here 1 minute, This posture can help you a lot. And now slowly bend your knee, come down, release your leg one by one. Keep your hand beside your body, leg straight. Stay here, feel the changes and take a rest for a while. And now give support. Lie down on your back, legs apart, hands apart. Relax in Shavasana. Adjust your body, adjust your cloth. Completely relax your whole body from the tip of the toes to the top of the head. Feel the beautiful changes in your body, in your breath and mind. And now prepare yourself for pranayama. Legs together, hands above your head. Inhale, stretch your spine as much as stretch and relax. Now slowly bend your knee. Move it right and left and right. Slowly turn left side, stay there for a while. Give support and come to the sitting posture. Sit comfortably with the closed eyes. Keep your spine erect. Adopt Jnana Mudra and keep on your knees. Eyes should be closed. Focus on deep inhalation and exhalation. Inhale deeply and exhale smoothly. Prepare yourself for Kapalbhati practice. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and now start Kapalbhati. Do it this way as much as round. In Kapalbhati, each time you must practice at least 120 stroke. This way you have to perform at least 3 to 5 rounds. Once Kapalbhati finish, take 2 to 3 times deep inhalation and exhalation. And now get ready for Bhastrika Pranayama. Come to the Vajrasana posture, fold your hand, make a fist. Inhale, raise your hand and exhale, hands down. Now be ready. In, out, 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 in, out. Then slowly release your hand and relax. Focus on breathing. Inhale and exhale. You have to perform this one at least 5 rounds. Now get ready for next practice. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Adopt Jnana Mudra. Now last practice Bhramari Pranayama. Keep your thumb inside your ear. Keep your first finger on your eyebrows, 2 fingers on your eyes, small finger on your corner of your lips. Humming sound Bhramari Pranayama. Ready? Inhale and start. Same way you have to perform 5 times, 11 times, or you can do it more also. But before sleep and when you wake up, that time you must practice this pranayama. Okay? Then slowly release your hand, hands down, adopt Namaste Mudra. Take a deep breath in, chant Om. Inhale. Om. Gently rub your palm. Keep your palm on your eyes. Give slight massage to your face and open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Have a nice day. If you like this video, then like it, and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Hari Om Tat Sat.